best drink for revitalization. Today's video is all about a simple best drink that you will drink to help you revitalize your body system. Assuming that you are very fatigued, that is, you are very weak, unable to do job, and you can't do or perform well as a man. This drink will help you to terminate all these physical challenges. But apart from all this, are you emaciating? You are losing weight? This drink that I am going to share with you today, 2 ingredients that you mix together, it will help you to gain weight and to revitalize your body system. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the best drink you will drink for proper revitalization of your body system. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, you are on the right channel. Consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. So what is the best drink for revitalization? The best drink are 2 ingredients that you need to mix to give you this best drink. What are the 2 ingredients? The 2 ingredients are milk, and the last is malt drink. I hope you all know what is malt drink. Malt drink is all you need, and milk. How are you going to prepare this best drink for proper revitalization of your body system? Just take 1 tin of milk like this and a bottle of malt drink. Mix the 2 of them together and drink it. Take it like that for complete. Let's assuming you take it today. Take it, at least take it twice every week. Twice every week for complete 1 month. Twice every week for complete 1 month will fasten the results and maximum results. So if you want to get immediate results, take it twice every week. Twice every week for 1 month. You will get efficient and fast results. So this is the best drink that every man will drink for proper revitalization of your body system. Not only men, women, children can take this drink. It will help everybody to gain weight fast. It will help anyone to revitalize his or her body system. So this drink works wonders. It is tested and trusted. So make sure that you take this drink as I prescribe or as I direct you. Make sure that you take it twice every week. Assuming that you want to gain weight or you are emaciated, you want to revitalize your body system back, just this drink is all you need. So that is what I want to share in today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.